Hello student, welcome back to EVS section. Our chapter going on a treat for mosquitoes. This is explanation part 2. So we start. In the previous section we discussing about the malaria and malaria symptoms and that medicine. Today now we continue the discussion. Jaskirat. Sajia auntie told me that even flies spread disease, especially stomach problems, Rajat. But flies don't bite, then how do they spread disease? Flies sit on the dirty things and germs stick to their hair and legs. When they sit on our food, the germs are transferred to our food items. If a healthy person eats such food, germs enter his body and the person may fall ill. So, which diseases are spread by flies and how? So these are the most common diseases are dysentery, diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, etc. These are the some diseases that is spread by the flies. Here are the glimpses of house flies sitting on garbage and other dirty things, as you see on the pictures. After seeing this, you must realize that how dirty and dangerous these flies. That is why it is advised not to eat uncovered fruits and food items and street food. After sitting such dirty things, they deposit the germs on cut uncovered fruits and food items and open street food. If for healthy person eat such food, germs enter his body and person may fall ill. Now we shall learn about new disease called anemia. Anemia, what's what? Aarti, you know I also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat say, what is that? Aarti, the doctor said that there is a less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. Nancy, how can there be iron in our body, blood? Jaskirat, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, laughing. So then you ate iron or what? Aarti, silly. This is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. Aarti say, I don't know exactly what it was. I will tell you what it was. In chapter 3, from tasting to digesting, you have learnt about balanced diet and nutrients of food. Let's see, there are 6 major nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. First, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. They give us energy to work and play. We get carbohydrate from sugar, rice, glucose, potato, wheat and honey, etc. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates. They give heat and warmth to the body. We get fats from foods like oil, butter, ghee, nuts and red meat, etc. Proteins are called bodybuilding food. They help in growth and development of the body. They help to repair the damaged cells and build new cells. We get proteins from like milk, eggs, green soya bean, meat, fish, etc. Growing children need more protein in their diet. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. They help us to fight with disease and infection. They are found in green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk and eggs, etc. Minerals are needed in very small quantity but are needed for proper health. The main minerals needed diet are iron, iodine, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. If these minerals are not sufficient in diet, then it is called mineral deficiency. Okay, so it was this iron Aarti was talking about. Nancy say, how can we iron in the blood? Then Rajat was laughing. So you ate iron or what? So Aarti replied, silly, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. So iron is mineral found in plants and animals. So iron is a mineral found in plants and animals. It's an important component of hemoglobin. Now what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is the red color of your blood. Anemia is a decrease in hemoglobin in the blood. Anemia is caused by shortage of iron in your body. For proper growth and development, we need iron from diet. Your body regularly gets iron from foods you eat. If you consume too little iron over time, your body can become iron deficient. So, anemia common in Delhi school. 17 November 2007, thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffer from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Now health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemic children are also being given iron tablets. So, how do we know that we are suffering from anemias and what are the symptoms of anemia? So, anemia symptom is pale skin. Generally, our skin is pinkish color, but when a person suffers from anemia, that skin, pale eyes, feeling tired, feeling weak, headache, cold, hands or feet, brittle nails, stunted growth. These are the symptoms. Here, when Aarti was unwell, she also had to get a blood test done, but they took a syringe full of blood. Do you remember? Rajat suffered from malaria and only 2 to 3 drops of blood was taken on a glass slide for test, but they took syringe full of blood test in anemia. The blood test showed that she had anemia. Here clinically pathology report. Here name Aarti, age 12, sex female, diagnosis anemia. Hemoglobin 8 gram deciliter per deciliter and normal range 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. This shows that hemoglobin in her blood is quite less and this condition is called anemia. The doctor gave some medicine to strength. These are some iron rich food items to increase hemoglobin in her blood. Aarti's blood test was done June 20, 2007. After taking medicine and iron rich food, her blood was testing again after 3 months, 15 September 2007. The Aarti's blood report and find out the minimum required hemoglobin. So, minimum required hemoglobin in blood is 12 gram per deciliter. How much did the Aarti's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Hemoglobin went up from 0.8 gram per deciliter to 10.5 gram per deciliter in 3 months. What does the newspaper report say about the problems caused by anemia? Anemia affects both physical and mental health. Children do not grow well, have less energy and are not able to study properly. Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get blood test? When and why? And how the Aarti What is the Aarti's problem? Aarti suffered from anemia, and whenever in your family get blood, so that is the person suffered from anemia. That's why they want blood. Now here some other disease that occur due to lack or deficiency of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. Like due to protein, calorie, malnutrition problem arises. Due to calcium deficiency, ricket deficiency arises. Goiter due to iodine deficiency. Scurvy due to vitamin C deficiency. So these are the some deficiency disease. Survey report. Some children did this survey. Here are some of their reports. Group 1. We found something green around the taps in our school, which is called algae. Due to algae, a kind of plant, it had also become slippery there. The algae spreads a lot during the rainy season. We think that are some kind of small plants that grow in water. Can you see algae in or around the water? Where else you seen algae? Yes, we can see algae in or around water. We can see algae in well, around the pipes, damp walls, pond and damp floors. Group 2. There is a pond near the school. At first you cannot see the water in the pond as it is completely covered with plants. One auntie told us that these plants have grown themselves in water. Around the pond there are pits full of water. We also saw some larvae in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquitoes flew from the plants growing around. Jaskirat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of this dirty pond nearby. Plants growing in and around water. Are there plants growing on the side or in water? Find out their names. Draw some of these in your notebook. So there are some plants that is automatically grown in the water. That is a liverworts, duckweed, cattle and water lily. Do you think these were planted by someone or did they grow on their own? So these grow on their own. What else can you see in water? Make a list. You can see in the water frog, tadpoles, snail, larvae of the mosquito, water strider and fish. These are all living in the water. So this is all about this chapter. I hope all of you learn it very well. Thank you.